in all of racing, right? Who has left one factory to go to another factory and immediately be successful?
Valentino Rossi.
He cheats. I mean, Valentino Rossi is an anomaly, right? I mean, that's
Toprak. He went from Yamaha, won a championship with the BMW, right?
Yes, I guess he did that as well.
Yes, he did that as well.
Yeah, he did do that, and
almost Mark Marquez.
Wait. So how many years was Toprak with BMW? 2 or 3? 2?
I think it's 2. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, then he won back to back on a 2 year. Okay, yeah, he was another guy, but he didn't win it. He didn't win the title the year before though.
Right.
That's okay. Maybe.
Yeah, because Alvarez he got back to back, and then he left, and then he got the back to back. Okay, but yeah, so Rossi came off of winning a title with Honda and went to Yamaha and won a title. I think there's a couple of other riders that did that too, so I'm not going to sit here and say Rossi's the only one, but it's far and few.